Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Start by preparing a safe workspace for the switch repair. Turn off power at the breaker for the switch circuit before starting work. Confirm power is off by testing the switch with a voltage tester and showing 0 volts. Gather tools including a #2 screwdriver, insulated pliers, and a 10-foot ladder for sealing switches. Put on work gloves and safety glasses for eye protection. Keep your phone nearby for reference photos and neighbors informed of a brief outage. Remove the switch cover plate by unscrewing 2 visible screws with the #2 screwdriver. Gently pull the switch slightly out and inspect the toggle and mounting screws for looseness. Use a voltage tester again to confirm wires are not live on all terminals before touching them. Look closely for broken plastic, burned contacts, or a worn spring inside the switch body. Take a clear photo of wire positions to preserve the original wiring order. Note whether the switch is single pole or 3-way before proceeding. With the breaker off, loosen terminal screws and remove the old switch from the box. Transfer each wire to the identical terminal on the replacement single pole or 3-way switch. Tighten all terminal screws firmly with the #2 screwdriver and tuck wires neatly back into the box. Secure the switch to the electrical box with the 2 mounting screws and replace the cover plate. Restore power at the breaker and test the switch function for proper operation and absence of buzzing. If there is heat or sparking, turn off power and consult a licensed electrician immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.